Major Blood, Duke, Storm Shadow, Snake Eyes, he's my favorite, Cobra Commander.
Hey Joel.
Yeah, what's the problem?
It's my computer again. I took the fries this time because it crashed again, and it just I went there and they told me to buy the wrong thing. They told me to buy the motherboard for it. So I go home, I try to put it in the motherboard. It's too big. It doesn't fit. I tried to put it back in the case, had troubles with that. Pam was yelling. We go ahead, we just take it back all together. So now they were closed, and I come back, and so I have a motherboard, and I went out and just bought another computer, and I have iPod songs on my old computer that crashed. I want to take those songs and put it on my new computer.
Okay.
Just help me.
Okay, so you've got your cord from your iPod, your USB cord. You got it with your iPod, right?
USB?
Yeah, USB. And you connect your iPod to that, and then you put the cord in your new computer. Okay?
Oh! Speaking of it, guess how long it took me to get this ringtone?
Like 5 seconds. I don't know.
5 seconds? Try 5 hours. I was out all morning listening to the perfect bird calls. It was amazing. Just amazing. 5 hours. Remember, 5 hours.
Yeah, I bet.
You said 5 seconds.
I know. I'm
What?
so ill-informed, I know.
Cobra Commander. Flint. Stalker. Nice. What do we got here? Man. Love this t-shirt.
Well, I took his phone and I put it on top of the tiles. Alright guys, come in here. Come in here. Come in my office. I got something really funny to show you. Alright guys, come in here. Come in here. Come to my office. I've got something really funny to show you. Come on. So check this out. Have you guys heard Tom's new ring?
Who hasn't heard Tom's new ring?
Alright. Well, I took his phone and I put it on top of the tiles in his room, and he can't find it. So check this out.
Where is my phone? Where is my phone? I will flip several lids if I don't find this thing.
You know what you can come in here on?
This is not.
Oh man.
It was right there just a second ago. Right there. Not there. Not there. There. I've had it up to here.